Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing OnePlus 15T and Galaxy A57. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two phones come with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. OnePlus 15T comes with 6.32 inches AMOLED display, and the Galaxy A57 comes with 6.7 inches Super AMOLED Plus display. Hardware features. Galaxy A57 is powered by the Exynos chipset, and the OnePlus 15T comes with Snapdragon chipset. Camera features. Let's compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. Both phones include 5G connectivity through speakers, Bluetooth 5.6 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.